Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how to extend an array in YAML file and how to perform inheritance in YAML. Extend template YAML. So key benefit of this reusability. Let's suppose you have some reusable code, then you can define that code into parent template, parent YAML template, and rest of the other child YAML pipeline can extend their functionality using this parent YAML template. So it is kind of inheritance where child class, child YAML pipeline can inherit that functionality which we have in parent, and that is reusable functionality. So let us start. Here is my VS code. In the VS code, first what I will do, this is my VS project, and what I will do, I will define a parent template. So this is my template folder. Inside the template folder I have this parent dash class ml. In parent dash class ml, what I did, I define a object lookup as a object type. If it is object, then it might be having multiple element item. So you can see I have three item here: dev UAT, dev QA UAT, and I also have respective service connection of each environment. So this is my object which I define as a parameter. Okay, object type parameter. Now in below, what I'm doing, I'm running the loop parameter dot lookup, and running this loop based on number of item dev QA UAT. It will run and display detail of those environment. And so what I'm saying here basically, this is kind of a reusability where we can iterate, we can put various functionality into this loop, and this is on each environment we can perform that. So this is my parent template. Okay, um, where, and then now let us see child YAML pipeline where we can inherit this template. And then so here this one is my education extend YAML. This is my pipeline. So what I can do here in pipeline, I can extend, so I can write only one line here, extend template, and then this is the syntax template, and then you can see go to that folder. Under that folder you have parent class YAML, so you can call that, and then you can save it and run this pipeline. This is your pipeline which is extending the functionality which we define into the parent class. Okay, so let us save it and check in into the fork DevOps. All right, so it's a test, and then submit, force run, force check in. Okay, go to DevOps. So this is my DevOps here. Okay, in the DevOps you can click on the pipeline, and then you click on this is one pipeline which I created, and when you click on that, then you can see, click edit, then you can see what we have inside that recently. Okay, so this is the code which we added, one line here extending parent class from here. So let us run. There is no other code. What it will do, when pipeline will run, then it will perform the functionality or logic which we have in parent class. So let us run. It's a dev environment. Click on run. So look at, this is running, pipeline is running, and exactly you can see here we have three environment: dev, QA, UAT, and where we define those environment, we define in your parent class. So it's completed for dev, and then it is starting for QA, and then QA is also completed, finish. Now it is starting for UAT. Go to start. Yes. So you can see this is running for UAT. Now question is, where is this functionality? In YAML pipeline, we are only calling the parent pipeline, parent template. So if you go to parent template, here, this is my parent template. Here I have this object and performing this functionality, from my child YAML pipeline. This is now, let's suppose you want to overwrite that object from this file. From parent, you can pass the parameter, accordingly it will work. So what we saw here, it is defined in parent dev qa uat. Now I want to override that, so let us do one thing. What you can do, you can override it. So what I can define, I can also define the parameter basically. So let me define the parameter in my pipeline. Okay, so let us see here. Right, this one is my code here. So what I'm doing, I'm also defining the parameter. Look at, so what parameter, what environment I want to override from here to that file. I want dev child, qa child, qad child, and let us save this. Okay, click on save, then check in it, and then put some comment. Okay, post check in. Okay, now go to there in pipeline. It's a manual run, so you need to run. So what we have now in pipeline, if you see here, because we check in the code, so what we added, we just added the parameter lookup here in the this itself, this pipeline, and we want that this environment should be this content of the object should overwrite in the parent and should work according to this parameter. So then click on run, and what did it say? Okay, mapping was not expected here. All right, bit one thing here, something is wrong here. Let me edit this. 1 minute. Yes, so go to here again, this file, and then you can perform this. All right, this is the indentation issue. Click on save, and then check in it again. Check in it again from here. Paste. Okay, post check in. Now go to pipeline, YAML. You can see, refresh it, and you can see it says indentation, and you click on edit. Okay, I'm just doing, click on edit. Okay, now this is all be passing this object directly from parent pipeline. Then click on run, and then click run. Okay, now it is running. Look at, this is replaced. Earlier what it was from parent, now it is coming from child pipeline. Whatever object we passing, that is coming from child pipeline. Okay, so now your stage or environment name has changed, dev child, qa child, uat child. So which is we passing from the child pipeline. So let us see, let it run. Okay, same step it will perform whatever we have into the loop, but this time stage name or environment name are coming, which we are passing from child pipeline. Okay, now coming to the child again here, look at this, and now we want that there should be 3 items defined in parent, 3 defined into the child. Let us add some more item here. So, and then it will accordingly, it will increase the stages. So here, if I can give some example here, let's suppose I'm adding some more here, other than after UAT, I can add this more item also here. Does it make sense? Yes. Okay, let us do indentation. Right, so what we did, we added these 3 more items. All right, now loop should run how many time? 3 plus 3. Okay, 3 more items, then loop should run 2 3 more time. Okay, so let us save and run it quickly. Go to fork again, click save, test 2, and then do the post check-in. Why I'm doing, but because sometime it doesn't save. All right, now here is your pipeline. What we did, we added some extra element so that the object should extend. So what we are trying here, from child pipeline we are extending or we are passing the object, and then parent pipeline would work basis on number of item in the object which we passing from the child pipeline. Got it? This item also added here. Let's click on run and then click on run. Then you can see, look at this stage is added. 3 were earlier, now we added 3 more here. Stage because we have not passed display, so that's the reason. So what is the moral of story here? We could override the object from the child pipeline. Also we can perform all the functionality from child pipeline. Okay, so here this is the way we have extended the functionality of child pipeline by inheriting parent pipeline. So that is all. Let us see, it is running for all stages. It would be running. Let us see. Now it is running for UAT. Can expand for UAT child. Now look at, it is running for rest of other stages which we created. Okay, so that is all as part of this video. Thank you for watching. Let me summarize before that what we did. We have this YAML pipeline where we extending this parent child. In parent class we have this loop which is running. This is on the number of items into that. So that's all. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.